Uh, welcome to Friday. So I'm just going to show you a couple more things that you can do in Cydi. Most of it I've already showed you in previous recordings. You can review those on my YouTube channel. But I'm going to show you mainly just one more thing that you can do, which is to make your own logo to add to your website, which I think is a kind of fun thing to play around with. So let's go to Cydi. All right. So here I am in the Cydi web editor. All right, I'm on my website that I've been building. And so I'm going to show you how to make a logo. If you go over here to the left-hand side, we're going to settings. All right, and it pulls this up. You just come right over here to logo and create logo. Now this will bring you to another tab where you can make your own logo. So I'm going to change this to my name. And you can add a slogan if you like. You don't have to. All right, so now here it pulls up some different options, and you can keep clicking for more options. And this is not the final logo. This is fully editable in many ways. These are just kind of basic structures, just like with your website. They give you a lot of editing options later. So I think I'm going to go with this one. I kind of like this one. All right, so here where you are right now. So right now you're in name. All right, so there are 6 different categories of things that you can change. Right now we're in the first one, which is name. I might switch it to capitalize. Color mix. I think that might be useful when we change the colors. Font size, you can adjust. Letter spacing. Line height. Then over here, we've got some other kind of styles. I like the modern one, so now I'm going to scroll through the modern styles. I like this one. I'm gonna try that one. Give myself a little more line height. And a little more letter spacing. All right, so now I'm going to look at slogan. And so again, here over on the right-hand side, you can change the font of just the slogan. And again, you can choose from different categories of fonts. I'm going to stick with modern. I'm going to take this one. All right, and again, you can change your font size here. You can change your letter spacing, your line height. All right, symbol. So you can add a symbol if you want to. Here, these are the different placements. I like this placement. Now I can click on replace symbol. And I'm going to just put in art here since I'm an art teacher. And it brings up some different symbols that are related to what I typed in. So what do I like? I think I like this one. All right, and you can adjust the size of that. I want it to be the same height as my name there. Oh, you can also put in, instead of a symbol, you can put in your initial, first initial of that name. All right, let's look at colors. So you can kind of rearrange what, no, I don't have a name to. You can rearrange which things are which color. And then you can also pick different colors. Or you can choose a color theme. And there are lots of options for color themes. All right. And then if you want to choose specific colors, you can do that right here. Last but not least, shape. All right, there are all these different shape options. I think I'm going to keep it like that. You can, oh, you can round the edges. I think I like it rounded a little bit. You can switch your margins, adjust line width. You can make it filled or not filled. Or remove the shape altogether. If I make it not filled. Actually, no. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. And bring some white into this. There we go. Okay, so now I can save that, download. So now I can save that file to my computer. And then I come back here and I can click to upload my logo. And the logo is already kind of logged in to my Cytee account. All right, so these are a few different ones that I've played with. I'll put in this one and apply. So now that logo, where'd it go? Well, that's silly, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. So there's my logo up top. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So that's the only other thing that I haven't showed you already. Again, if you're confused about something else that we've already reviewed, you can go back to the YouTube channel and look at those videos. And our goal for Friday is to finish your website as much as you can. It doesn't have to be 100%, but I do want you to submit your draft of your website in the assignment in Microsoft Teams. I've created an assignment that's due this Friday at just before midnight. I would like you to submit your URL. So if you haven't yet published it, you're going to come up here to publish when you're ready to share it with me. All right, and then this is the link. So you're going to copy this link and click publish. So this is going to publish your site so that I can see it. And you're going to put that link that you just copied into your assignment. And then I will look at your website that you've made. and I'll give you some suggestions for ways to add to it. And this website will kind of grow and build through the course of this quarter. You're going to be adding to it as you go. So right now, I'm just asking you to submit your current draft as is so I can see where you're at. So now I can go back to editing. And whatever you do will stay live. Just don't forget to save. So any adjustments that you make, even after submitting that URL to me, I will still see because they're live on your page. So I think that's all I have for you right now. So happy Friday, and I look forward to looking at all your websites. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions. My email address is figgym@springfieldpublicschools.com, and I will be online tomorrow, Friday, to answer your questions if you need me.